back to the channel. If you have been using SHADCN UI, the most popular customizable UI library for React and Tailwind, there is a massive update that just dropped in December 2025. Today, I will walk you through the latest changelog, show you the new customization options on the website, and demo how to create a new project with your own style. So let's dive in. So first of all, what we have to do is I just simply go to this components, and after the components, here you can see we have all the SHADCN UI components. So next thing what we have to do is I just simply go to this changelog and just click on it. And now from the beginning, the SHADCN UI was about customization, great default for spacing, colors, animation, accessibility. But you can tweak it into make yours. But lately, a lot of apps are started looking identical because the default were too good for fair point. To fix that, they introduce NPX SHADCN Create. And the coolest part is that they are launching with 5 brand new visual styles to make your UI feel truly unique. So first one is Mega, the classic UI look, and second one is Nova, reduced padding margins for compact layouts, Maya for soft and rounded with generous spacing, and fourth one is Lyra for boxing and sharp, pairs well with monofonts, and last one is Myra. So super compact design for dense interfaces like dashboard. So this is not just changing colors. The CLI actually rewrite the components code to match your choices, fonts, spacing, and structures. So it even let you choose between Redux UI and or base UI as you primitive library and different icon state. And it is available for Next.js, White, 10 Stack, Start, and even V0 projects. So I just simple click on get started, and now here you first of all you can choose the base color from here like stone, zinc, or gray. So I personally like this zinc. Okay, and from the theme we can make the color of this theme as well according to our own choice. So I just simple make it orange, pink, or any other color as well. So for now I just simple make it this color so it look more good. Okay, and now this is it, and so now I just simple click on this create project, and now it show me options like Next.js, 10 Stack, Start, or White, and the command something like this that is here. So you can copy this command and paste in your terminal and create the project as well. So now I just simple go with White and copy this. So I just simple copy this command. So basically when I just simple copy this one, so it automatically suffocates a brand new project with Tailwind configure, your chosen style, backed in CSS variables, spacing, fonts, and component.js setup as well, and ready to add component with npm SHADCN at the latest add. So I just simple copy this, and now I just simple show you of demo of creating just this simple open project. My ID, and I just simple open the terminal and paste the copied command here. And if you have installed on your system pnpn, then you can go with this command, but if you don't have, then you have to change it to npx. Just simple right here npx, just click on enter, and now it will start creating my project, and within 1 or 2 minutes my project will set up. Here it asks me what is your project name, so I just simple pass here this default name and just click on enter, and now it will creating my project is now set up and all good. And now I just simple navigate to project using this command and just click on enter, and now I am in my app, and now here you can see it is amazing. It automatically set up all the files, all the things in it, and all the configured things in our project. So now I just simple run it, and I just simple uses npm run dev, and just click on enter. And now as you can see my it start the development server. And now I just simple open it. And now here, that's the amazing thing. And now it automatically set the theme that we choose here while configuring our project, and all things are set up according to our choice. So this is it. And now when I'll just simple click on the show dialog also open. So this is amazing and great. And now I just simple show you some few things. If you want to do any customization or adding components in it, you can do it as well simply. So first of all, I just simple go to my src app.tsx file, and here it is the main file, and I'll just simple go to the uh, main.txs file, and in the components I have here the components things. And here in the components dot example, this is the main page that are showing here. And in the UI I have all the component setup. Okay, so now what we do is like so basically, I just simple close the terminal for now, and this is the component file, and this is the example dot txs file. So it have all the components here, libraries here. Okay, so now I just simple go to browser, and now it is showing me the light theme. So you can change and do any customization in the project as well. So I just simple pass here this in the example dot txs file dark, and just go to browser. And now here you can see it make all the theme all the page to dark. So you can change it according to your own choice as well. And this is the main configured file, and if you want to add any components in it, you can do that as well. So I just simply navigate to project using this cd white tab, and just click on enter. And now let's suppose I just simple add here an accordion component. So I can I just simple go to browser here, and just go here, and I just simple go to components, and here is the first accordion, and it is showing me this accordion here in this amazing style. Okay, so I just simple go back here and choose it from the components. And in this I just simple go to here component section, and here it is showing me all the components of SHADCN. So I just simple go to accordion, and it is now showing me this accordion here. And now this is the code for adding accordion. And what I have do is like I just simple want to add this here below this. Okay, so for this I just simple first copy this, and go here, and component dot this file, and here after the import I just simple paste this. And now it is giving me error because this is not yet added in the UI component, so we need to add this as well. And for installing this, I think so we have a command here as well, that is npx SHADCN at latest add accordion. So I just simple copy this and paste this here, and now it will adding this UI here. And now here you can see accordion component is added. So I just simple save this, and now go here, and it is also don't give me error now. So I just simple close this. And now what you have to do is I just simple need to show this here, and I just simple come again here, and this is the accordion code. So I just simple copy this accordion from this tag, from this accordion tag here, and I just simple copy this. And after copying it, what you have to do is we need to paste this code in the appropriate place in our file. So also our file contain already some code, so we need to make sure this thing. And I just simple come here, and here I just simple first close these tags, and after the card tag I just simple make this here and paste this code here and just save this. And now I just simple come here and now it is showing me accordion here. So this is great, amazing. And it is showing me in this appropriate here. So we can show this here as well. But for now, it is just a example of adding components and making the front end alone, and backend you can go with backend with Node.js or Laravel as well. So this is it. This is the huge December 2025 update from SHADCN UI and PX SHADCN Grid, and here is to make your UI stand out. So, and I hope you like this video. Smash like, subscribe for more SHADCN, Laravel, React tips, and comment which style you trying first, Vega Classic or something new. Lara. See you in the next video and thank you for watching.